Hello students, I welcome you all class 4 children. Today I am going to explain first chapter of English literature, that is the poem Sunday. Sunday is written by Rabindranath Tagore, who was a great poet. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian who received Nobel Prize in Literature for his collection of poems, Gitanjali. In this poem, here is mentioned a small child like you all who is talking about days of a week. So, according to the picture you are seeing on your screen, tell me how many days are in a week. It's a very simple question. There are 7 days in a week. Now, moving on our poem. There are 7 days in a week, and the child in the poem likes Sunday the most. You also must be liking Sunday, but see, all the days of a week are very important. This is the message that Rabindranath Tagore is giving us in this poem. Now, I am going to read the poem for you. The weekdays come so fast and thick. Here, fast and thick, it's a phrase which means rapidly and in great number. The child speaker in the poem is saying that the weekdays come rapidly and they are great in numbers. How do they travel to reach so quick? I don't know how do they travel. Now the child is saying, I don't know how do they travel, but they come so fast, so early and so rapidly. But why does Sunday take so long behind the others cruising on? But Sunday comes after a long time. It must be walking slowly behind the weekdays. Here, the word highlighted, cruising. Cruising means walking slowly. And the child is saying it must be walking very slowly behind the weekdays. That is why it takes long time to come. Now moving on the next stanza. The weekdays are an unkind lot. According to the children, the weekdays are very unkind. Why the child is saying like that? See, weekdays are not unkind. On weekdays, you have sets of schedule in school, in home, in society. You come to school, we do lot of constructive work in the school. Sometimes conditions are favorable for you and sometimes not favorable for you. When the conditions are not favorable for you, you feel like it is unkind. But believe me, everything we are learning every moment from our home, our school, from our society. To go back home, they have no thought. Now, here, the child is saying when we go home from school, we have no thought. Why again there is a fixed schedule for evening? You go home, you do your homework, you go to your class and you have nothing to do of your own choice. So the child is feeling there is not a single thought of planning in the evening. Child is feeling the weekdays are boring and dull. The child is feeling like that the child cannot do anything of his own choice. But we are doing a lot of constructive works during the day. We are learning from every moment whether we are in our school, in home. But why is Sunday so pursued? Why is Sunday so pursued that she stays half the time she should? Now the child is saying Sunday is so followed, so awaited. We always wait for the Sunday. but it stays only half of the time. But it stays only half of the time. It means there are 24 hours in a day. But the child is saying it stays only half of the time because there is a long list of planning. There are so many plannings you have made and find the time of the day is less to do any other work. So you feel that it stays only half of the time. The weekdays come with such dull long faces. Now here again the child is comparing. Child is comparing weekdays with the dull faces, unhappy expressions. No child can stand such airs and graces. But when at weekdays I get up, there's Sunday with her face lit up. The child is saying when he or she gets up in the morning, there is a smile on his face because it's a Sunday. Sunday we do liberty. But keep in mind, child, every day we learn something from each other, something from each and every moment. So this is all about today's poem, that is Sunday. Now, what do you need to do? You have to write and learn this poem in your notebook. And at the end of this video, I have given you some homework. This one. First question is, write and learn 6 lines of the poem Sunday, as you already seen during the explanation. Question from the context. Now here I gave a context. You have to read this context, understand its meaning, and answer the following question. Thanks for watching. Keep studying.